What's up, guys? It's me, Quincy. Welcome back to Talks with the Q. Today we are going to be discussing the question, is friction more helpful or harmful? Now, this question definitely got me thinking. There's many instances where friction is helpful and makes life easier, but sometimes I feel like I want to strangle friction in the throat. I'm sure you guys feel the same about it sometimes too. Friction is the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another. There are also many other types of friction. This is where it gets confusing. Static friction is a force that keeps an object at rest, and kinetic energy is the energy of motion, so when one object moves another. This can also be called sliding. So basically, an object is either declared as moving or not moving. There doesn't really have to be all these different types of friction, but guess what? There is. So, is friction more helpful or harmful? Personally, I think friction is more helpful than harmful. If there was no friction, everything would be a mess and very unorganized. According to Trevor English from the Short Sleeve Club, we wouldn't be able to walk, write, drive, pick anything up, etc. Basically anything that requires acceleration. I wouldn't even be able to make this video because I wouldn't be able to walk over to get my tripod, turn on my umbrella lights, all that stuff. If friction turned off for a long time, we wouldn't even be able to eat. We would starve. Soil wouldn't be able to hold together because of the lack of molecules. This means no harvesting or even no growing, so we would have no food. And most importantly, we would move forever. If we push off of something, we would keep moving until we stop. But how do we stop, you ask? See, here's the thing. You don't. You continually keep moving until you run into something. And if you have been moving for a long time, you'll run into something quickly and hard. Very hard. Although friction can make things harder in life, like riding a bike up a hill or lifting weights at the gym, if there was no friction, life would be a lot more complicated. Friction is more helpful than harmful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to comment down below if you think friction is more helpful or more harmful. Like this video if you would like to see more Talks with the Q, and subscribe and hit the bell icon to be first notified when I make one. Thanks again for watching. Bye!